Okay, once again, welcome to Math with Ish. Now, today we want to look at the question I set yesterday. Okay, now I discovered that most of us got various answers. So let's see which answer is actually correct. Okay, now the question says that if the bearing of P from Q is 195 degree, what is the bearing of Q from P in compass bearing? Now take note, the bearing given to us here is in three-figure bearing, but they want the answer to be in compass bearing. So this is just a simple instruction that you have to obey, okay? So let's go. We know that I always like using a diagram to illustrate this. I don't like saying this minus this equal to this. No, I like using visuals, okay? So this is my knot. Now 195, let's get 195. You know that this is a three-figure bearing, so we always start from the knot and we move in a clockwise direction for three-figure bearing, okay? So let's go. We start from the knot. Let's go. We move. This is 90. This is 180. So 195 should be somewhere here. It's not drawn to scale, okay? So 195, this is 195. Now, it is the bearing of P from Q, which means that the bearing is actually coming from Q. So since it's coming from Q, this point here will be my point Q, and this point here, and this point here will be my point P, okay? Okay, so now, they are asking us what is the bearing of Q from P. This time they are reversing it, okay? So we want to get the bearing of Q from P. That's to say that this time the bearing should be coming from P. So you go to P, we come to P, we create a cardinal point there, north, south, east, and west. Now, the bearing is that angle from the north down to the line connecting P and Q. And this angle here, if you check, if all this angle here is 195, it means that this tiny space here, this tiny angle here is 15. And this angle is also equivalent or equal to this because they are alternate angles, okay? So here is also 15 degree. So which means that the angle or the bearing of Q from P is actually not 15 degree east. Remember to say the answer should be in compass bearing. Now, most people chose the answer that says 015 degrees. Yes, this is actually the same 015 degrees, but this one is in three-figure bearing. So if you choose this option, you are wrong. According to the question, it should be in compass bearing. If you choose this option, you are wrong. If you choose this, then you are correct. Okay, so based on this question, this is the solution to that problem. I hope you've gained value. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.